everyone, you are back in my kitchen. I have been cooking today. I did several videos today. And thank you all. Thank you for coming. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for always coming back. And I do appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Now, today, my past few videos is about that Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. You know, I like it. And I've done several things, and now today I'm going to make again some salmon. I got some salmon fillets right here, and these salmon fillets are, you know, I got them on sale last week. I think I got about 6 pounds of them for like $23. They were on sale, and these things are delicious. Believe me, especially in the air fryer. It's amazing. So I'm going to show you what I did. I guess I know I have a good 4 servings here, so if I want to take it for lunch, I got some for that. That's what I'm doing right now. So I got these fillets, and I washed them off and pat them dry, and not going to put too much seasoning on there. I'm going to just throw a little, first of all, I'm going to just put a little vegetable oil right on top, just like that. Just a little, not much. Then I'm going to put in on some onion powder. Sprinkle a little of that on here. Just a little bit. And I'm not doing the underside because it doesn't make any difference. You really don't eat that. And the next thing I'm going to do is put some of this garlic and herb on it. Now I put this on the first time. Oh gee whiz, it was delicious. It was really, really good. And this garlic and herb is from Spain Spice. So, you know, I heard about this from Ray Mack Cooking and Grill, and I'm telling you, he's right. This stuff is really, really good. Low in sodium, sugar. It's a really good product. So if you want to go get that, you should go look on Amazon for this thing, and you should really go try this. You know, I don't even think it's on. I'm not sure if it's on Amazon, but you should definitely go try. I think it is, but we'll see. If it is, I'll leave a link down at the bottom for it. And then, so I just sprinkle a little of that. Let me sprinkle just a little bit more on here. Just a little bit more, especially this garlic stuff. It was really good. Put that all on here nicely. And then, I definitely took some melted butter, and I pasted, this is about a tablespoon, and I just pasted it right on the fish. Right, just like this. I gotta say that if I'm gonna come home and cook anything, using the air fryer, I think, would actually make you go and actually eat something, because this air fryer really, really works well. You can eat a decent meal in, you know, hardly no time. You know, within a half hour to an hour, you really can have some food that you want to eat that tastes really good, and that's, you know, you gotta wait almost a half an hour for your oven to turn on. So this is really kind of good. So right now I'm gonna put it on the fish setting. I think it's like 325. I'm gonna stick it in there for maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes, because I got a lot of fish here. So I will let you know when it gets almost done. Then when it gets just about done, I'm going to put this is my sauce I made for my sticky chicken wings, my garlic chili sticky chicken wings, and this is some leftover, and I'm going to put some of this sauce on top, put it in, and let's let it get beautiful. And then I have some dinner. So dinner, lunch, whatever I want to call this. And I'm going to stick it in my air fryer. This is the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. I'm going to stick it in there, and it's not on the top, it's on the middle rack. And I'm going to press the fish button, which is at 325. It says for 16. You know what? I'm going to leave it on their recommendation for 20 minutes. We'll see. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to send it up a little higher because I got more fish. So I got it on 340. And I'm going to let it sit in there for like 20 minutes, maybe, or more or less. And like I said, when it's ready for me to put that sauce on it, I'll pull it out. I'll tell you how many minutes it was in there. I'll put it back in for like another 5 minutes or so, and you're going to see such a beautiful piece of fish. And it is so tasty. You will be like, wow. I know I was like, wow. So I think you will be too. I'll see you later when this thing's ready, okay? Bye-bye. All right, I'm ready to take out my my salmon. It's been in about maybe 20 minutes, and I'm taking it out. Truly, a masterpiece. Look at that. Look at that. But I'm not finished with it yet. I'm not finished. You could eat it like this if you want, but I'm not finished because I want a little more. So what I am going to do is I'm going to put some of my sweet chili garlic sauce on my fish. You see, I just poured that right on there. Put a little more, as a matter of fact, on there. And then I'm going to take my little brush and brush it right over it. That's what I'm going to do. Put it all in here, and then it's going in again for maybe, between 3 and 5 minutes, the most. Maybe 3 and 5 minutes. I'm putting it back in, so it just, gets this glaze the way I like it. And then I'm going to eat some of this. Okay? People, watch me. Watch me. Okay, I'm going to put it back in the oven. Back on fish for, actually, matter of fact, I'm going to put on French fries for, let's just say, 3 minutes. So French fries are a little high. It's like 400. And it's going to be on for 3 minutes, just so it gets that brown color that I like. And I will be back. I'll talk to you in about 3 more minutes. See you later. It's been in now for 3 minutes, 400, just to get the glaze on the way I want. Oh, is it not beautiful? It's just gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. That is a work of art. That's what that is. That is a work of art. Look how beautiful it looks. And I know it tastes good. I'm going to get a fork and just taste a little side. Now I'm going to take a little taste right here. Right there. Hot but good. That salmon is good. It gets 2 thumbs up. It's going to be great for my lunch. I'm going to love this. And I think if you try this, you'll love it too. I'll see you soon. Next time, have a good one.